In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Protonmail account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go into your browser and click in proton.me/mail up here in your search felt. Then from here, you'll see this page right here, where you can create a new account or get mail for business. You can also up here get Proton Mail or sign into your account if you already have one. But to create a new Proton account, you'll need to click create a free account like so. Then from here, you'll need to choose your subscription right here. And as you can see, you'll have the option from €0, €3.99, €9.99, or €23.99. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the free one, and it will possibly also be the one you want to choose as well. Then from here, you need to create your Proton account. And here you'll need to write in your browser name. Then from here, you can change it from @proton.me to @protonmail.com if you want to do that. You can also change it to your own domain inside of Protonmail. Then from here, you need to add in your password that needs to be at least 12 characters long. Then from here, you need to click start using Protonmail now. Then from here, this page should be popping up with the $1 offer, but you can just click no thanks down here. Here you need to add in your captcha and just click next like so, and as you can see, captcha completed. And then from here, Protonmail will create your account and prepare your recovery kit. And here you'll need to download your recovery kit, or else you'll have the possibility that your account will get deleted by Proton if you should lose access. Then from here, you just need to click I understand and then click continue. Then from here, you'll need to write in your display name. Just click continue after you wrote that, and then you get started. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!